Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good, great, amazing wherever you're at. And today I am going to be doing a simple eye look. Let's see how it comes out. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I am going to do those off camera. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyebrows a little bit to just define them a little. Prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. primer. So this, you can put it on your finger and apply it, or just go ahead and apply it straight in your eyelid. Make sure you tap, you guys. Don't go very rough on this area. This area is very sensitive, you guys. Concealer. I'm just going to dab some here and here. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a brush. Just gently dab it all over my eyelid. So I'm going to use the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to be using kind of like the very pale nudes. Like the very pale nudes, like this one and the one next. On this whole outside. So same brush, dip into Mr. Diva. Take the excess off, and again go over that same basically line that you just went and did before this one, and applying some a little to the bottom of the eyelid. So now I'm just trying to fix it. I'm using What's the Tea, just this one, What's the Tea, and I'm using this dark brown. Trying to make it look a little bit decent. A little bit of this kind of like white kind of crystal glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it on top of this. See how it works out. I'm going to be using the Covergirl Exhibitionist Hydrofuge. Oh yeah, this is giving me very Christmassy vibes. So I guess you know what tutorial I'm going to do for Christmas. Now I am going to go ahead and I am going to start priming my face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. I'm going to use just a tiny bit. Spray that beauty blender. Makeup is makeup. It's to play with, it's to put on so you can feel good. I don't know if you guys know, but in many cultures they don't even allow the women to wear any type of makeup. So I would say that we're pretty blessed to be able to put on makeup, and that we have it at our hand to purchase it. Here and here. I need to put some here. And here, it's like my little areas that I know I have, like, this is good enough for me, but for you, if you don't feel comfortable with whatever you have put on your face, you can go ahead and build up your makeup, your foundation. In the e.l.f. Bronzer Beauty. I am going to go ahead and get my blush, the Hello Kitty Colourpop Cosmetics blush. Go ahead and I'm going to bake a little bit. I'm going to use my Perfect Finish e.l.f. powder. You can tell that I don't like this, right? I really like it. I'm just using my brush to kind of... So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my e.l.f. try the Oogie Boogie Colourpop lipstick. I kind of want to put eyelashes, and I'm kind of being like, no, don't put the eyelashes, it's going to be too much. I don't want to cover the glitter. The glitter's really pretty in my opinion. This is the final look with eyelashes on. I'm glad I tried them because I can still see the glitter, which I didn't want to cover, and it's popping up through the eyelashes, and the eyelashes I like wearing. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Have a good morning, night, evening, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.